Hi everyone, today we're going to be swatching some new Revel colors. Now the 5 colors that you see here were just released on March 22nd and they are part of an Everyday in Bloom dip powder set, which consists of 5 beautiful flaky dips. We're going to be swatching today on some fun stiletto nails and we're going to dive right into these beautiful dips. Now the first color that we're going to be dipping into today is called Awesome Blossom, and I love the name of it. I think it's super fun. And check out that beautiful spring pink. It is perfect and it is filled with tons of flakies that are gold and stunning. Just something about pink and gold really melt my heart, and I love this color so much. So this is one of the 5 colors, and this is the only one in the set that is not a thermal changer or a glow. So there are 3 thermals and then 1 glow, and then this one does not. And I just love this color so much. It is going to be the perfect spring and summer. Overall, a very awesome staple color that you need in your collection. And now this kit is sold as a kit only. You will not be able to get these colors individually, but these colors that you're going to be seeing right here are going to be great for your Revel collection or even your dip powder collection because they're just so pretty and the colors are perfect for spring and summer. So you are not going to go wrong with this collection. And who doesn't love flaky dips? They are super pretty. And when you get your nails in the sunlight, it's going to give these dip powders a whole another look of beautiful sparkly goodness that is just what your nails are craving right now after that winter season. I know here in Wisconsin, I am so over the snow and I'm so ready to play with some spring colors. And this new set from Revel, Everyday in Bloom set, is definitely what I need to cure my winter blues. So let's dive into these swatches and then I will pop back in at the end with my final thoughts.
I don't think they've ever burned this bright. Did you know when how everything would turn out? We learned to run, we learned to fight. Sooner or later, we can become strangers. Someday, somewhere, we can be new again. We can be anything that we wanted to be back then. Just wait, just wait. If I only knew how to make it true, we could write a new ending for you. You can pick and choose. All you gotta do is play the whole thing through. And if I only knew how to make it true, we could write a new ending for you. You can pick and choose. All you gotta do is play the whole thing through. I wanted to be saved before we lost our way. We were picture perfect, but below the surface, I wasn't okay. I made it look that way. I'm saying you deserved it. Sometimes it just happens that way. Sooner or later, we can become strangers. Someday, somewhere, we can be.
Alright, so here are all the 5 colors swatched. Aren't they gorgeous? And they are must-have colors. I love them so much, and I really like how they do coordinate and complement each other really well. You could totally do a fun Skittles mani with these colors, or if you wanted more of like a punk rock kind of mani, you could pair these colors with Barbara. I think that'd be super fun and stunning. And then check out these beautiful thermals, and then that is the color that they look warm. It takes a whole nother life on its own. And these colors are going to look great with pastels. Also, there is a new kit right now that you can get 4 pastel colors with dip liquids. It's a blue called Flirty, Ballet is a beautiful soft pink, and then Lush, which is the perfect spring green, and then Lola, it's a beautiful periwinkle spring purple. You can get this pastel set. It's called Passion for Pastels. So those 4 dip powders, and then you get liquids. So if you're in the market for some pastels and liquids, the Passion for Pastels kit is going to be your jam, and it's going to pair perfectly with this set here. So I hope you enjoyed these swatches. Stay tuned. I will be doing some manis in the upcoming week featuring these colors. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in tomorrow's upload.